Let's take a look at simple probability with rolling die. In a previous video, we looked at simple probability with coins. Flipping a coin has a sample space of 2. The coin will either land on heads or on tails. A 6-sided die has a sample space of 6. It can either land on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Here is 30 dice. In theory, if I rolled all 30 dice, I would roll 5 1s, 5 2s, 5 3s, 5 4s, 5 5s, and 5 6s. One way to think about it is if you take the number of events and divide by the sample space, you can predict how many times one part of the sample space will happen. Here is an example. If I rolled 30 dice, 30 is the number of events. There is a sample space of 6 different possibilities with each single roll. If I divide 30 into 6 equal groups, I get 5 of each number rolled. So as long as you know the number of events and you know the sample space, you can predict the number of times a certain event will occur. This isn't going to happen every time. There's this theoretical probability, but you can use experimental probability to see if it happens.